Well, hey there, YouTube. We're back talking about the lid here for the Texas Star 667. I went ahead and drilled my holes for it, and I just wanted to show this. I've enlarged these holes a few sizes, and I'll show you why. Basically, if you buy one of these new, and if you know how to operate a screwdriver, you're never going to have this issue. But apparently people don't know how to operate a screwdriver and they over torque everything, especially when you've got some thin aluminum like this, because it's just a little sheet metal screws they use. And you know, it doesn't take much when you have something like this, you know, and you're you know. So anyways, I bought this from my local Harbor Freight Tools. It's a rivet gun that puts nut inserts in. And I'll show you, it's right here, in case you want to get one. There's the model number there. We're going to be using this size here, the 6x32. And it comes with 10 of each different thread inserts and the different little adapters here, the threaded things, so you can go ahead and insert them. And my helper actually just came out here, Red Dog, the loudest mobile around. So we're going to have him come out here and hold the camera, and I'll show you how to put these in. So that way we can put screws in here, like I've done over here. We don't have to rely on those self-tappers. So stand by. Okay, so here's this here. So you just take your little insert, just screw it down on there, and I'm going to have him come in here so we can really see this. You just put it in there like so, and pull it just like any other rivet gun. And I give it an extra turn just for good measure, but probably don't have to. Then you unscrew it. Now you have a riveted in place threaded fastener. I'm going to show you, I'm going to do one more, so stand by. We'll go ahead and do one more. You just have to drill the appropriate size hole. We're going to go ahead and rivet it in there. You don't have to do this, this is just me giving it a little extra there just to make sure it's tight. Unscrew it out of there. And now we will never have to worry about fastening our lid on here again, because we'll be using stainless steel machine screws. And finished product right there. Hey guys, thanks for watching. This tool was $24.99. I'm going to have to Google or go on eBay or Amazon and see if I can just get the little threaded inserts, because all they give you is 10 of each, and Harbor Freight doesn't sell extras. So as long as I can find them online, this is a good tool to have. Thanks for watching.